So, those were the days, school and recess time, wasn't it? Hello and welcome to Musings of a Masterni. I'm Meenal Desai and here I share a medley of my unique experiences shaped by students, teachers and life in general. So, how many of you remember recess with the fondest memories and it brings a smile to your face? I can already see you nodding and feeling like, oh yeah, those were the days. Today, that is what we are going to be talking about. Lately, I've seen a trend of doing too many things in school. The demands of the curriculum and the expectations of the society have put so much pressure on a school that we try to add in more things on already full plate of ours. And in doing so, the first area that is compromised is recess. Every time there is a deadline to meet or a crunch of time or exams or an event that comes, the first thing that is squeezed or sacrificed is recess. I've seen principals and teachers mercilessly cutting down on recess because they have to do other more important things. At times, the recess is hardly 15 minutes. This leaves the student with time to eat, but not for anything else. But as we all know, recess is not just to eat, right? Recess is the time to play. It is the time to let your hair down, to be in a group and to overcome the tiffs that we faced yesterday. It is the time to be yourself. And can we please appreciate this role that recess plays in the school life? Rujita Divekar, one of the celebrated authors on food and nutrition, has in her latest book, Notes for Healthy Kids, literally begs for at least 60 minutes of free play for our children, even during the board exams. Now, how many of us can promise that? Back home, with multiple classes and the parents wanting to make their children super children, are just taking away free play. And if we as schools also end up doing that, then we are really robbing them of their childhood. In my personal experience, I've seen far more evidence of learning during recess than anywhere else. And no, I'm not talking just socio-emotional learning. I'm talking of core academics at primary level. Whether it is grammar or angles or shapes or scientific concepts, I've seen them apply it during recess. And trust me, there is no gadget or no internet or no app that can replace that real experience. So, what do you have to say about recess and the way it is being dealt with nowadays? Do you think our children deserve free play? And what can we do about it? Please feel free to share your experience with me on Musings of a Masterni. And don't forget to subscribe or follow me on Instagram as well as YouTube. Thank you so much.